Hello, welcome to Pivot Options. This is Sandeep here. Um, so we will discuss about Bank Nifty for Monday. So what's going to happen? So I did not give any analysis for Friday because it's going to be sideways. Um, I came to know because the CPR was wide. So now what happens on Monday? So what is the overall scenario in Bank Nifty is when I go to the time frame, day time frame, and when I mark from here, there's a low. So it is like A, B, C, and D. So it's a ABCD pattern I could see here, and there was a pole flag pattern. So according to the flag and pole pattern, if you see here, okay, here from here the breakout happened, okay. So the targets would be like from this pole. I mean, what is the length of this pole A to B? So from here we will mark. Okay, so the target comes out for Bank Nifty is 46,700. Okay, as per flag and pole pattern. So in the coming days or next week, it might go to 46,700 if it is still bullish and trading above CPR. But what happened here, as per harmonic pattern, it formed A, B, C, D, where it says that it is at resistance at and 1.6 target. Okay, so at 1.6 Fibonacci level, generally price rejects and it will come down for at least it will retrace 50% from there, or it should at least retrace until target B, which the target comes out to 45,650. Okay, so from here it can go up or it might come down according to the Nifty or the scenario or news at that point of time. So we will be careful from here this point. We will take only long above this, like which is 46,360. So we can take from here to I think this target is very small, 360 to, oh, it's big, okay. Okay, from 360 to 700. So it will be like 300 points upside. We will take the target from 46,360. Okay, or if it is coming below 45,950, we can expect it to come until 45,660. So these are the targets. We will sell below 45,938. We will go long above 46,370. All right. So overall scenario in Bank Nifty is this. So we'll just go to the 5 minutes chart and see what exactly is happening and where is the CPR. Okay, cool. So we'll just mark a line here. So this would be our target, 46,700, and we will just remove this. Now see, okay, in this scenario on Monday we will take long above this level 46,370. As I said, we cannot take long above 46,263 because immediately there is a resistance above, so we cannot take a risk there. If it is coming below this level, which is 45,950, we can go for PE and we can go for the big target here. Okay, as I said, 45,660 or something. Alright, this is the Bank Nifty scenario. So we'll just check where is this CPR here. Okay, so the Monday CPR is very narrow and it could be a trending day. Alright, the trending day. So the R1 is here. So we will take long position if the R1 is broken and the previous day high is broken. Alright, so that is and the target will be R2, and if the R2 is broken, R3. So these are the levels. If you are going for P, so you can only take P after breaking the below the previous day low and the S1. Okay, from here we can target S2 and S3 as well, because it is going to be trending day. So we will just take the trade after the breakout of the previous day low and low or high. So this is the bank nifty analysis. We'll go for a nifty. Okay, 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. So there was a trend line here, okay, and the trend line was broken on Friday, and the retest happened and it came down. But what exactly happening here? See, there is a green candle which is closed here. If it is breaking this line, which is 19,820, or we will just take a room here. So 19,850. So we will go long above 19,850 only, or else we will just wait for this low to break, which is 19,700. 19,700 breaks, and we will take PE from here. If there is a red candle forming here and closing below this, we'll just wait after the retest. If it is coming down, we'll just take PE here, and our target is simple, which is 19,550. So this is the perfect target I can predict for Nifty. If it is going up, it may fill this gap and it will go up like a rocket until 20,060 is the target. Okay, so we will take long above this line, which is 19,850. All right, according to that particular moment on Monday, we will take a position. All right, so be careful in Nifty, because it shows that it might come down to 19,550 if it is breaking the previous day low and the S1. So we'll just see, I mean, if it is opening in between the CPR and S1, and if it is touching the CPR and rejecting from there, so we will just take the PE from there and to target the previous day low and the S1 as well. All right, so we'll just go for 5 minutes chart and see what exactly happened here. The trend line from here, the trend line was broken and a retest happened here and it came down, but immediately it is trying to recover. Okay, so there is still a room. If it is breaking this line 19,821, or consider 19,850, so after 19,850 we will go for a long until the this target 19,900 or 20,000 target. Or if it is breaking this line 19,700, will clearly come up to the target of 19,550. We will just trail the market, because see, the CPR is like narrow CPR, average CPR. It will be a trending day, so we will take the action immediately after breaking the important levels, as I mentioned. After that, we will ride the market. Okay, so we will just take the long position after breaking the R1 above, or we will take the PE position after breaking the day low, and we will target S1 and then S2, and then half between S2 and S3. All right, these are the targets. All right, I've given you the targets and prediction for Nifty as well. So be careful, and you can join our Telegram group. Pivot options you can type in. Join there, and we will be on live as well on Monday, so that you will understand what the market is, and we will have the entry point and the exit point, and we will give you the stop loss as well if you want to join. And this analysis, hope it helps you to understand the market and the scenarios. Have a nice weekend, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.